Today we're changing a tire. In any unexpected event, first thing that you should do is put on your hazards. The next thing we need is our warning triangle. And this obviously needs to be at least 5 meters away, somewhere visible for others to see. Most vehicles have their spare tire and their jack in the boot, which makes it easier for Reach to replace the damaged tire. Can't do this with my hair loose or in the sun, imagine. Good to go. The next thing we need is a jack to pull out the bad tire like a bad tooth. And this is our bad tire. It's important to remember not to lift the tire completely off the ground because we need to loosen the lug nuts. Funny story for you. It took me about 15 minutes to figure out what these tweezers are used for. And it turns out they are for my lug nut caps. Let's see, this will actually test if what I'm doing in the gym is actually what I'm doing in the gym. Oh, wrong way, my bad. Now we're getting our hands dirty and our bums dirty too. And we need to lift the jack all the way. Let's see, something is happening. Oh, that's because I'm doing it the wrong way, guys. Never thought I'd ever do this in my life. Okay, now we're gonna finish the job. Remember, the end of the tire iron is where you've got the most force. And that's one tire off. Done. So I've put the tire back on, and now so this is a little rule that my dad taught me. Always tighten the opposite bolts, whichever you choose, first, because it distributes the force equally throughout the tire. Yeah, just keep that in mind. Ladies, you might want to get your legs involved here. And that wraps it up, ladies and gentlemen. Nice and simple, right? Sometimes life throws you curveballs, like getting stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire, but don't worry, Mont Blanc Financial Services has got your back. When you get car insurance through us, you're not just getting comprehensive cover, you're getting peace of mind. Our policies include roadside assistance, whether it's a helping hand or a quick fix, you're never left stranded. Tailored just for you, we understand the importance of feeling safe and supported on every journey. So don't wait, call 0800 INSURE or click this link, which will take you right to the quoting tool. I cannot wait to see your name on our inquiry list so that you can experience tailored insurance just for you.